Hello, this is Leon Esbaya from batch 813. I'm going to show you how to burp and feed your baby. Use a bottle that have a wide base slow flow nipple. Hold your baby into upper position supporting their head and neck with your hand. Touch your baby's upper lip with the bottle nipple to encourage your baby to open their mouth wide. Let your baby pull the nipple into his mouth. You don't want to force it. The nipple should not be full of milk when feeding. Hold the bottle horizontally so that the nipple is partially full. This allows the flow of milk, allowing your baby to drink at their own pace. Count your baby sucks and swallow. If your baby doesn't have a take a breath, every 2 to 5 sucks, remove the bottle and take a few seconds rest so the baby can breathe. When you're feeding your baby, watch for signs of overfeeding or choking. These include swallowing wildly without taking a breath, milk spilling out of their mouth, flattening nostrils or their eyes opening widely, stiffening of the arms and legs or lips turning blue. Immediately remove the bottle if your baby shows any sign of this. Babies always swallow air while feeding, burping. Your baby helps to release the air. Hold your baby upright with the head nesting on your shoulder. Pat the back with your other hand, tapping your baby slightly and gently than the flattened palm. Sit your baby on the lap, supporting the chin and the chest with the other hand. Rub or pat the back with the other hand. Use repeated gently pat on your baby's back. Rest your baby face down on your lap and gently rub or pat the back. Keep a cloth nearby in case your baby spit up. Still showing sign of cramped gas? Try lying down your baby on its back and gently massage the tummy. Try moving your baby's legs back and forth like riding a bike.